Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, I have two big fish and one small one, but I cut them in two and they already scale and I wash them in some vinegar. Now my husband say, what do you say you want? We're gonna cook brown stew fish, alright? Maybe we cook some brown stew fish and we don't know what we are gonna do with it, guys. Maybe I can do some pasta salad or something light. All right, so here goes. So first off, we're gonna put a little bit of salt, not much, just a little sprinkle, not much, guys. Right, we're gonna go in with some onion powder, about a teaspoon. We're gonna put some black pepper, put to your liking, a little bit of cayenne pepper. We want a little bit of spice, or you can put scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic powder. All right, we have this all-purpose Maggi seasoning. I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon or a little bit more. And we also have Maggi fish seasoning. I'm just gonna take up a little bit like that and sprinkle over it. All right, so that will do about a teaspoon and a little bit less. All right, paprika for color, about another teaspoon. Okay, and finally we're gonna put some olive oil to mix up everything. All right, about a teaspoon, a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of my green blended seasoning, about a teaspoon. All right, and that's it. Now I put a glove on, but be careful. All right, you want to go in. My husband gonna hold this for me, guys, so I can just go down in a hit and show you. You have to season up on the inside, you know, and rub up all right. You see what I say? All right, so basically guys, just open it, all the head part on like this. I'll do a one hand with the glove. Now watch no face. All right, put some down in the head part then, mainly. My seasoning in the head part, yeah. Okay, marinate down there. Black pepper down in the head part, yeah, so okay, well swap down this one. And that's it. See one little one, yeah, and a little baby too. Put some down in it. Alright, make sure it's seasoned down in there. You see, guys? Put the season down in it. And then you just rub it up. You can put a one cut on it. Just on the big one. The next one. Now it look like you want to sharpen, guys. Don't watch no face. Not true. Look how big. Ooh. So I cut it, guys, so the season can go down in it. So just be careful how you rub it, because the bone will juke you. So make sure your season go down in there. And you know, so your season gone down in this part already. See there? Alright, my husband saying want it right now, guys. So I'm gonna just leave this for about 15 to 20 minutes, and we're gonna fry up everything, and then we brown it up. Cause we're gonna do brown stew, alright? And make it gravy for it. Alright, I'll come back. Alright guys, we're gonna add some olive oil because we're gonna fry up the fish, alright? Alright, so that I put some olive oil there. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of canola oil, about a tablespoon as well, you know, so it kind of. I'm gonna put some garlic to burn in the oil. Make sure your oil hot enough. Alright, my stove is on high because you know it's small burner. I'm also gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful, guys, it might burn your eyes. And we're gonna put the fish. We're gonna just like fry them up first, and then put them down. Looks good. Alright, we're gonna let it be golden brown. Keep. How we going on? Alright. Alright, after they brown up somewhat, you're gonna take them out, set them over here. See them look nice? Alright. Alright, remember we have one left. I'm just gonna scrape away that part so it doesn't itch in the bottom. Right? And I'm going to place this one to side. And I'll be back. Alright guys, I turn this one over and I'm going to give it a few more minutes and then we're going to make the gravy, alright? Alright guys, we're just going to take this out. Set it over here. I'm going to put like a tablespoon or a little bit more of olive oil. Now we're going to make this sauce, alright? We're gonna dump the bell peppers. We're gonna put everything, guys, all vegetable, bell peppers, onion, a little bit more garlic, carrot, scallion. All right, we're gonna saute this. Notice I'm not using much oil. All right, we're gonna saute this up a little bit. Guys, I think I have to change my pot. I don't know if this can hold, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna add some blended seasoning, about 2 teaspoons. We're gonna put a little bit more thyme, dry thyme, alright? Guys, you know my husband is here. He said, put pimento. Put some pimento. So just stir up this for a few minutes, let it saute a bit. So this one, fry up a little bit. Now, with this over here, you can use veggie broth, chicken, beef. I have this one and I'm going to pour some. We're going to make the gravy. Or you can put some water. It's up to you, alright guys? This is about a cup, a little bit. Not quite 2 cups yet. I'm going to pour it in it. A little bit of soy sauce. About a tablespoon. My husband said, What you say, what I mean? Hold up. I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Put 2 veggie stalks. We're also gonna put a few pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna use too much. Right? And then the 2 Maggi cube. Ooh. You wanna flavor it up, alright guys, before you put the fish. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of ketchup. This is optional. This is my Diana. It's really good in it. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon or a little bit more. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, guys. It's so good. Look, it's a honey garlic. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. To get the color and all. You see this now, guys? Some flour, water, basically. We're gonna make the gravy. Flour and water, basically. Pour it in. Or you can use cornstarch. Yeah, I told them they can use cornstarch before. You can use flour, cornstarch, or breadcrumbs too. We have the fish over here, guys. And we're gonna set the fish them in there like this. What you say? What's that? Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna turn on this too. And then we have one more. This one. Put it over here, so. what you're gonna do now, all right? You're gonna move the fish away from wherever you can get the gravy and you're gonna spoon it over it, all right? You don't have to turn them. Don't have to turn it. If you want, you can spin it over. It's up to you. But for me, I don't turn it. I just do like this. See that? Cover. And you do it for a few times, all right? So I'm gonna cover the pot. And well, 5 minutes, guys, and then you do it again. Turn on your stove, all right? Make it simmer down. And that's it. My husband did some potato salad. We're gonna serve up some with that. And put also my vegetable on the top like that, guys. If you want it browner, you can tip like a little bit of browning or a little bit more soy sauce, but this is just right. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm back. My husband said, guys, take it something off fire. I got dry out. All right, guys, let me listen to him and turn off it. Cause you know me love dry out my thing. He say, take it off. I got dry out no gravy nothing. So I'm gonna listen to him. Gonna turn off the stove. Oh, these fish are butterfish, right? Yeah, I brought them up when I was coming in. We're gonna go down on some butterfish, guys. Yeah, really nice and soft. All right, I'm gonna share out some for you guys. You want much or just a little bit? Something like that. One more. You hear her, guys? My husband said one more.
All right.
That's all right. All right. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Don't eat too much. What I'm gonna have, not too much of this. Oopsie. All right. See, it look pretty. Put a little bit of vegetable right there, so. A little gravy. You see, it's why you say gravy there, dry out. You see what that gravy in it?
There's one.
Alright, guys, see? Whole bag gravy left. I don't know where my taxi. So vegetable. Can't run with vegetable. I have some dinner. This is my Jamaican style brown stew fish, butterfish, yeah, with some veg and some salad, potato salad with corns and mixed vegetable, basically tomatoes, and that's it. You don't want anything else, right? All right, and I'm gonna finish mine here. All right, guys, this is mine. Yes. Thank the Lord and bless him for this food I meant. Alright, guys, I'm gonna break it and show you how it's looking. I'm gonna move it apart so you can actually see it. Watch them bone, you guys. Tell you about them bone. Oh my god, it's so soft. And it's not soft. So good. Bye, guys.